So I guess we are live. Hello everyone, and so we are trying to attach a rag. We are building a rag, and we are trying to attach a backend to this rag. We are trying to attach basically a what do you call Docker backend. Let's start with the Docker backend because Docker is relatively cheap. So now to attach a Docker backend to a Docker sandbox. Okay, yeah, let's go here. Let's go in it, and it will just I am trying to attach a Docker based Python sandbox that can be called by the agent. I don't know how to start. So let it figure out, and by the way, in the meantime, I'll show you what it looks like. So this is currently backend. It's completely uh, taking. It's completely copied from the documentation actually. And this is working. This is from Daytona, and they are, I don't know, they're very good. I just want to first try locally, and then if that works, we can give this backend to we first do Docker backend locally, and if that works in production, we will figure something out like Daytona or something. Daytona, maybe there are other options for sandboxes. So we will make something like this. It writes a to-do list, it searches the search box, and then it's reading files and reading quick start, and that's what we are going to do. Like that's what a deep agent. This is a deep agent, and while exploring, it's doing a lot of stuff I don't want it to do. But oh, come on. Yeah, so it doesn't have any context about deep agents because deep agents come later after its training, so it doesn't know how to make deep agents, but we know because we are impressive. So let's search on Google. Yeah, so it's just doing the same thing, it's giving the same thing to me. I don't want that. Let's go to Docker's blog. Yeah, just allow once because we don't. Oh god, it doesn't know. It's No, no, we can't allow it. How do we change? First, always activate the virtual environment. We install all the packages to the .venv. A agents need to execute command, install package, and test code and running plus means they have access to your files in network Docker sandwiches. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Files has been activated and people installed. So it's reading documentations directly. Wow. No, this is not I want. Yeah, you can do cat, it's fine. I don't know what this is doing. So with model we can do. I have no idea. Like this is going crazy. So you're coding, etc. Okay, let's first check if this is running. Let's create a new shit. Let's create a new tmux here and let's run. Okay, source pin activate and python what's rotate is backend.py. Python backend.py. Let's see if that is running. Oh my god, this thing expired. I'm on a sugar crush. go to Daytona and renew the key. API key has been is expired, and let's delete all the sandboxes that previously we have and it's not been deleted, and then go to API keys and create key, something like deep agent long, and let's copy this. And okay, this env file is not visible here for some reason, so we have to go back manually and we have to replace this. Okay, the thing is, if we delete it, okay, let's first delete and then copy, and then let's go to backend and then try to run it, and let's see what this is doing. Yeah, so now it's thinking. Let's let's do streaming here. I know streaming. I think I should let you know about these things. I don't know. This seems pretty far-fetched. Okay, this is doing something, and we will check out. Okay. Oh wow, what's this? Oh my. Apparently, so it has written the thing and it has also completed it. We'll check out. Let's check out what it has written. So docker backend.py. So UID tar file IO something like that, from deep agents to backend or sandbox, base sandbox, and protocol execute response, file upload response, file download response, file operation error. Can we push this? Can we understand this, and can we push this to deep agents website and make contribution, our own open source contribution? Let's go. So docker base and base sandbox. So container name is optional. Set.image equal to image string, set.id container name. self dot ensure container, and this is defining ensure container here. Result runs ps sub process. Okay, so process docker ps minus a filter f name self id from state node result dot stdr, so process dot run. My girlfriend is calling me. Let's send her the link. Where do you see it? So Gemini has written this. So this image docker ps running status run uses name self dot it rm it self dot image name, it's giving its a name, then remove self dot image and bash. So if you run something like that, okay, it's cooking something. So what's docker run minus d name, let's say name it test python, and then self dot it minus minus rm, so it will automatically remove interactive. Image is what, python 3.11 slim, then bash. Okay, docker daemon is not running, so let's start docker. Okay, now docker is running. So it will download the image library python. Okay, this will take some time. Let's run the read the code. So now it will run what, docker ps minus a filter name equal to test python, format ये हमें लगाना पड़ेगा, कोड dot status up 90 seconds. Okay, so it will ensure container by running this command, and if up is not there, then it will start. F is there, so we can start with docker start test python. What's happening? Okay, so it's known as a Docker PS. How do we get into it? This star is like it will take a number of optional parameters like a list which can be passed. Command, then timeout optional. Okay, let's try this command. Docker exec, then test python bash minus c. Let's say echo hello world. So yeah, it's executing something. So we have execute command there. So output is result dot std output. So it's the process is if result dot std error execute response output equal to output execute is equal to return code result return part and execute response. So it will execute, it will return the response. Execute response. What is execute? This mark, this is mk, and then go to definition. Oh, execute response it is coming importing from backend. So process timeout हो गया तो टाइम आउट एरर अगर वो एक्सेप्शन है तो एक्सेप्शन दिखा देगा इफ एस टी डी एरर आ गया इसके अंदर आउटपुट एस टी डी आउटपुट प्लस इक्वल टू एरर वाह वाई आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दिस आउटपुट एरर है तो एरर इसमें आ जाएगा अगर कोई और एक्सेप्शन इस कमांड को रन करने में वहाँ आ गया आउटपुट में एरर है तो आउटपुट में एग्जिट कोड के साथ दे देगा वेरी गुड अपलोड फाइल्स nice. I don't know what the star stream does. I have no idea. With tar file dot open, I guess tar file there. size. Okay, so info object. This is how copy a file. There is some error here. So this can be none, so we have to make it something like extract and if extract is none, then content equal to extract dot read. So otherwise क्या what are the file not found, permission denied, if directory invalid path. Let's see. File not found. Then this is the screen up. Okay, sounds good. And then let's see what the example. We didn't see the cleanup. Docker stop, yeah. Docker stop should be there. Docker. I think we need a better model. Where do we get the model? Let's add it. Yes. You are coding. Yep, looks good. And let's start run it. Python. Docker example. Wow! So this was fast. So let's see what's going on here. Let's go to Langsmith. धीमे धीमे चले पुरवैया. So Gemini has Docker backend. धीमे धीमे चले पुरवैया. अरे पहले मुझे ना इसके जो अलग अलग गाने हैं ना, पहले जब ये मूवी रिलीज़ हुई थी लापता लेडीज़, तब मुझे सबको वही गाना पसंद आ रहा था. ओ सजनी रे, वही गाना सबको पसंद आ रहा था, मुझे भी वही पसंद आ रहा था. तो उसके बाद मुझे वो गाना पसंद आने लगा. मन करता है साउटवा, ई कन्या पे डाउटवा, बंदी है नोकाउटवा, ई कन्या पे डाउटवा. बंदी है नोकाउटवा, ई कन्या पे डाउटवा. और उससे भी मुझे ये गाना बहुत पसंद आ रहा था. चेक दिस इज ह्यूमन इनपुट. आफ्टर दैट इट विल गो टू द मॉडल एंड फ्रॉम फर्स्ट टू डू लिस्ट आता है, तो पाइथन वर्जन कमांड जो है वो एग्जीक्यूट करनी है. एआई को पता चल गया. तो इसने कहाँ लिखा है टू डू में? कैन यू सी दैट टू डू? राइट टू डू मेटाडाटा टूल्स की लिस्ट बनी हुई है सारी यार, हमें टूल्स की लिस्ट नहीं चाहिए। टूल चॉइस नल, उसने कोई टूल चॉइस नहीं किया। मॉडल कार पे जाते हैं, टूल चॉइस नल, रिस्पॉन्स फॉर्मेट नल, कुछ नहीं किया है भाई। मॉडल टूल चॉइस नल, स्टेट देख लेते हैं, स्टेट ह्यूमन, ये एक ही मैसेज है। सब एजेंट मिडलवेयर कार, फिर से मॉडल ये रहा, टूल चॉइस भी नहीं हुई। स्टेट देख लेते हैं, स्टेट में ये भी ये एक मैसेज है। फिर समराइजेशन मिडलवेयर, एथम्पिक प्रॉम्प्ट, कैशिंग मिडलवेयर में भी कुछ नहीं आया। इसमें भी देखते हैं, इसमें इनपुट ये दिया हुआ है, टूल्स हमारे पास ये हैं ही सारे। टूल्स में इसने ये सारे टूल्स हैं। टूल्स यहाँ पे दिए हुए हैं, हमें इनपुट और आउटपुट चेक करनी है। इनपुट तो ये बड़ा सा इनपुट जो इसमें सिस्टम प्रॉम्प्ट सब दिया है, टोकन खाएगा। और आउटपुट में इसने ये वाली कमांड डाली है, तो फिर आउटपुट समझ नहीं आ रहा कुछ यार। मेटाडाटा ये तो मुझे चाहिए नहीं। फिर इसने टूल्स में टूल का ये हम निकाल ही रहे थे सर। इसने फिर से मॉडल को कॉल किया है फॉर सम रीज़न, कोई इनपुट नहीं, गवर्नमेंट टूल्स नहीं, अपडेट है इसमें। सो ये है राइट फाइल। एआई क्या कर रहा है? एआई इसमें राइट फाइल नाम का कोई टूल यूज़ कर रहा है। ओ पर क्या ये सैंड बॉक्स में फाइल पाथ ये हो गया? एक सेकंड, पाइथन वर्जन क्या दिया था इसने? पाइथन 3.11 है, तो ये वाला ही अपना सैंड बॉक्स। तो ये राइट फाइल वाला यूज़ कर रहा है। कैलकुलेट द फर्स्ट फिबोनाची नंबर एंड फिफ्थ सीक्वेंस 01 वाइल लेंथ सब फिबोनाची नंबर का प्रोग्राम एकदम सही है। देन स्ट्रक्चर रिस्पॉन्स रिजल्ट, ये तो सारे टूल्स निकाल रहा है। टूल्स में लगभग सेम ही चीज़ होगी भाई। तो इसने यहाँ पे मॉडल को भेजा है ये। तो मॉडल ने ये इनपुट क्या मिला है मॉडल को? तो इसने ये वाली फाइल राइट कर दी है। कहाँ राइट की है ये कैसे पता चलेगा? स्टोरेज में मेटा डेटा है, कंटेंट है, फाइल पाथ है। फिर यहाँ पे ये वाला टूल यूज़ करके राइट फाइल कर रहा है। अपडेटेड फिबोनाची.py इसने अपडेट कर दी है। फिर मॉडल के पास जा रहा है, फिर अपडेट क्या है, फिर ये कमांड पाइथन ये वाली रन करनी है। ये डिसाइड किया है यहाँ पे टू डू लिस्ट में, और यहाँ पे इसने रन कर दी है और एग्जीक्यूट कर दिया है लास्ट में। फिर मॉडल के पास गया है, पाइथन वर्जन इन द सैंडबॉक्स इज दिस एंड दिस। सो आई गेस इट इज। वो कहाँ सैंडबॉक्स का यूज़ किया है ये कैसे पता चलेगा? बस ये समझ नहीं आ रहा, बाकी तो ठीक ही है। सो आई गेस सैंडबॉक्स इज वर्किंग, लोकल डॉकर सैंडबॉक्स इज वर्किंग। So let's go to deep agents GitHub and see if there are any pull requests or issues for local Docker, and if there is, toner. Where is it importing? Hmm, names in that. Import that toner. There should be something like LangChain Docker. LangChain Docker sandbox. Where do we put this? Where do we put this? I don't understand. This sandbox is fine. Let's go to LangChain. Yeah. Yes, yes. मीठी बातें आँखें बोले. I guess let's ask it a question. Projectile motion. This degree will make decrease. And let's put cleanup also. So it took time, but wow, I mean, I can't read this stuff. Oh god. What? Wow, that is some. Wow. Wow. How do you know if it wrote a script or not? Is it that good with mathematics? Where did our go? This is insane. This is literally insane. Wow. So, this is a physics problem. So, let's go start with this. So, it has written to do use the first scenario to solve for this using the range from. Oh my god. This is a physics problem project to determine the initial velocities in first unit. We are cooked. We are so cooked. The plan is to first establish a range. I will use the execute tool with the Python script to ensure accuracy. Ensure accuracy. Content use the derived values. Wow, wow, whoa, 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 whoa. This is insane. So it's just doing that. No script, just one line. Just wow. It's using Python as calculator. Damn, it's so smart. R1 for theta degree rotates, G spherical rotates. And then it using this value here. Sine into theta 2 equal to sine 2. And the great thing is it's not taking inverse here, it's just calculating sine into 2 theta. Why is everything pending here? So execute this, then execute this is getting execute this to get an answer. This is 0.433 and it's using 0.433 exactly. Wow. And sine 2 theta 2 is getting this, then because sine can never be greater than. This this is insane. This is insane. Let's try another question. Let's try this one. Oh my god, I am so. Wow! What is this? 230.94 आना चाहिए, क्या दिखा रहा है भाई? ये साइन 30 पे जाके बंद क्यों जा रहा है? एरर आ गया क्या कोई? कहाँ गया भाई वो अपना लिंक स्मिथ कहाँ गया? Calculate sin 60 degree t gt sin theta. Final answer. Why did it's pending and it exited? Why did it exit early? That's the question. Why did it exit early? My mouse is misbehaving. Also I need to go. Yeah, let's go. Plan is set up kinematics equation formulas given, substitute the values for into the equation, calculate the initial velocity, present the plan. This is the plan. No, that's wrong, right? Where did this Byju's thing go? So the flight time is 2v sin theta divided by g. So it's half of the flight time, right? The maximum height. The equation for maximum v sin theta divided by g होगा ना? What is equation for sin? So what it's first it will set up the kinematics problem. So input. So vy is So vertical velocity first decreases and reaches 0, then increases. So Vy is V0 y minus gt. Okay, so the maximum height is when Vy is 0, so 0 equal to gt. So V0 into gt. So it becomes V0 sin theta is Vy. So theta is given, theta is what, 60 degree, right? So sin 60 is what, root 3 by 2. So t is given is 20. Oh, wait a minute. Maximum height in 20 seconds. Yeah, so t is 20. So it will put this is 22. This is what, 20 into 10, 2000. Again divided 2000, 4000 divided by root 3 should be the answer. So and then it will go out. Substitute is in progress. Substitute is completed. Thing is, it didn't even call the tool. Those of these 0.94, which is the correct answer. It didn't even call for the tool. For these kind of things, it doesn't even call for the tools. Yeah, let's give it another thing. Upload the trajectory to show, and now I think it will use the say the load of png, and now I think it will have to I think now it will have to do that, and I think that will be last example of us. आंधी बन के आया हूँ. So it has already made the plan. Yes, see the plan. Kudos. Calculate initial velocity using t and calculate initial. Rewrite Python script to calculate trajectory and plot it and save its program. Execute the Python and then like save the. So it has to download basically the file transform sandbox too. So this is already completed. This is very trivial. Calculate initial velocity, which is also it is completed. Very good. And then this is in progress. And what is the progress? Oh god. So it is also updating the to-do list. So initially install numpy, install matplotlib, then write Python script to detect and plot it. So in this step what it it is doing pip install numpy. Wow. And now it is not going to next step. आंधी की आया. So does it spot? Yeah, I think it did something, but so this is pretty good. So it's created a time when x velocity is slow because in x there is no uh, x direction, there is no acceleration, so the velocity remains constant. So when in y direction there is acceleration. Mark the max. This is not a correct way to do it actually. You can mark the max height. From the max height you can, the velocity increases then decreases, and yeah, it's quite a mess. So you can see it, but I don't know. So it's in the sandbox. So there is execute details, there is upload files, there is download file. So you have to tell that what happened. I think you don't need the commas here. If this works, then mashallah. ना तो कारवां की तलाश है, मेरे को खाना भी बनाना है यार. खाना, मेरा खाना, मेरा खाना, मेरा खाना. तो कोई भी आज भी व्यू नहीं है अभी. हम 1 घंटे से ज़्यादा से स्ट्रीम कर रहे हैं. Let's go to deep agent and let's see what is going on here. It is, latency is great, I know, because there's a lot of things to do. So it's on this first node, and let's see what is figured out. Oh, I think it's slow. I don't know, data na is basically dead. Yeah, it's the same thing. I think this caching is somewhat involved. Prompt caching. So in this tools, in put in, I think here we can see what tool it is called. Write to do's. See, oh my god, so smart. I can't believe it. How can someone be so smart? These agents are so smart. I don't know what to do with it. The problem will be how to make a backend lab because they have done it. They have basically done it. We have to just put one or two more tools. And just good system prompt and that is just it. So it's calculating the trajectory. This is not necessary. Did it mess it up? I don't think this is right. This is half picture only. Oh, it messed up. Oh, we did not expect this, but it messed up. How do we see? Oh, it is also cleaned up. So we can't see. But it's very good. Testing for physics problems works good, but need to check for files to sandbox. So with the help of Gemini, we can at least do Docker, local Docker sandbox here, and we can try one more time. Let's see if we can download, and let's play a chess game. Oh, we also have to do this. We always take this because we don't care. Because after this is a real nightmare. If you take a queen out, then will you have to deal with this. Okay, now this we are what we are talking. This is a good way to deal with. Let's cast. So now what? We can go here. How do we trap the queen? Because if we go here, take, it can take this, it will never take this. There, this there, and there, there. No, it will not go there. There it can't go. There it can't go. There it can't go. There it can't go. There, yeah, it can't go. There it can't go. This can't go. There. Yeah, there. Let's see. This is the only safe square. We will keep poking because we are a Pokemon. Oh, it hanged the queen. Bro hanged the queen. And now what do we do? What do we do? Oh, it already resigned. So sad life for him because he hanged the queen. Oh god, how did he do it? How do you mess up something like that? So he went for scam opening, he took, then we went there, then he checked, we blocked the check, then we poked the queen, and then we go for this, what do you call this, fork, and he saved it, which is an excellent move. This is not excellent, this is a great move because it saves the fork. Then we castle, then we poke the queen, and well, then he, let's compensate on that. Let's see. Oh, I hate black. I don't know what that does, but this side, I don't understand this. Let's first take out our juicer. So got the pawn, we save it. We have 3 attackers, he only have 1 and 2 attackers, so we are chilling. Also you need to save. So we have 2 defenders, he has 2 attackers, but it is his move, so we are over defended. Yes, so that was it. He was technically right. Now we can go for, okay, so he says it's like that. Now it has 3 attackers now. So 1 attack, 2 attack, 3 attack, 1, only 2 defenders, so it is technically dying. So let's just push it. An early queen attack, it has turned and nothing is dying. So okay, no, not like this. Let's push this and we'll see what can be next. Because this fork, oh okay, we had to go that way. Shit, we messed it up. go the other way. Is the queen out? We put the wrong pony. We hope the wrong pony. Now we'll never get this. I think it will be a bad move, but should we try to poke the pony? I don't know. Let's go. If he moves, we have this. He can boost this and trade. I don't know. After this, he can never take. If he pushes, and then we will take this, and the queen is dying, so he has to take by this, and then we can fork again. Trippy life. We have 1 minute time advantage. Let's see what we can do. Or we can go this also, but we don't have any protection. For him to think, we will go this. We will develop the juicer. So this is not dying. This is technically also savable like this. Okay, good. We can go there, pin this, and try to pin that. Okay, he went there. Oh, it's a fork. Oh shit, it's not. We messed it up. First take this shit. Need to first take the. Oh god, we messed it up. We have to read out this. There is no reading. This is a big mistake. We have to first take the pony down. Fuck. He played so well. Okay, that is a mate. I guess you can go there. There is check. If it takes this, there is check. This is dying. Hanged another piece. We can never take this. This is bad. We are so bad. We messed this game up. Yeah, we cannot save this also. up the order there. There's a pretty big fumble. That was a big fumble by us. First take down the pony. And now of course he wants to trade. Now there should be a mate. Of course he wants to trade. I don't want to trade. Maybe we are pawn up, we can trade. Messed up the order there. We did really badly messed up. Okay, that pawn is dying. No, that pawn is not dying. This will fumble, this will fumble, this will fumble. Basically, everything's fumble there. Oh my god, this juicer is also saved by that. So this pawn is dying. If he takes Oh shit, we messed it all up. Blunder, big blunders for us. This is running. Okay, wait, if we get there, can we get 4? Alright. Ooh, it was a big miss for him. If you go there, there's a fumble. We have to go there. So it's not a check, is it a check? Oh, it's a check. let's end the live stream.